Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you can get the highest amount on your investment? Hi, I'm Lisa Bognuda with Lifestyle Homes by Lisa. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test right now. I've sold many homes, so I know what I'm talking about. Here we go. When I walk up to a home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, trees, new trim on, and the door painted, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings about telling you what to do. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real cleaning, baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out old light bulbs, and more. Is the lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes? Painted the front door and the trim? Hey, brick walls with mismatched paint does not qualify for selling for top dollar right now, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean, or are they 10 years old that have been cleaned 15 times, and once it rains or people walk over them a few times, well, the truth comes out. This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same they were 15, 20 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1/2 acre lot that is up the street? You see, all this matters. This is a big one, the smell test. Oh my God. I'm sure you don't realize it, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it's true. We love our pets, but they leave smells everywhere. Our cats, our dogs, our birds, even miniature pigs. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you're used to? But if someone came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably looks better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help you. When you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor showering? Or are there pastures, hills, or waterfronts? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell over who gets to pick the TV station tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view or a waterfront. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market and sell it for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. Hi, I'm Lisa Bognuda with Lifestyle Homes by Lisa and eXp Realty. Call me and I will advise you.